When I first saw this building nearly 7 years ago, it was just an old truck factory. But I still had a vision that it was just the centre of the Ellerslie business district as far as I could see. So I set about building first off the big Sawtooth Silver building, which had a cafe in the front. We had a media company, Trends Publishing, and I wanted the concept of bringing people down to us as opposed to us going into the Parnells and the CBDs in the central Auckland area. And it worked like a charm. They'd come out for a cappuccino, we could sit down and discuss business, and it was an interesting way of doing business from our point of view and interesting from our clients' point of view. As the business expanded, I needed to take my other companies, which were in the old Sawtooth, and move them to an annex building, which is on the far right-hand side. And we then started to develop an overall concept for this whole complex, which was essentially 4 buildings in one. And in the atrium that we're in at the moment, it was going to be a big glass, 5-storey high building, drama, lots of culture, lots of art, lots of texture, great lighting at different times of the day, fabulous sun coming in through most of the day, and sense of great drama for access to the buildings. Then coming from this great glass atrium, which is the central pivot now, to the new building, which is on the left-hand side of the property. It's 5 stories high and it's a multi-use environment. It starts with a residential complex on the top with 6 apartments, and I had to consider that these people who bought these apartments would be coming through these commercial entrances. So we designed it to have a style that it felt like a home, but a very sort of modern environment, so it could have a cross-lease or cross-use environment for commercial use. Then we come down to the 2 1,654 square metre commercial floors. We've now completely leased one and 600 metres of the other, and the remaining space is to be leased in the near future. So this whole now complex has got a theme, which is about good design in a great environment, not in a great glass and brick campus, but has great individuality for the 4 buildings, and it has an ethos. And it's about promoting good design through our media company and the companies that are now associated with it. So we've got a great design centre. It's an appointment-only design centre involving 20 of New Zealand's leading companies showing their wares and bringing clients in to discuss those opportunities. And now with our own company, with the television business and the internet business and the graphic business, it's all around showing off great concepts and ideas into our own media business. We're looking for like-minded companies to come into this environment, be it a designer or an architectural practice, somebody involved in the design community who can build in the overall traffic flow, because these are clients that are coming in probably needing your needs. Also the whole sort of culture that we're generating. There's a bit of an energy about the place now with people who have a like-minded vision for the whole of New Zealand's good design.